Hey Mike, what happened? What happened to your ski, dude?
Look, here it comes. That's not even big. Right on shore. Yeah. Right on shore. There I was. See when it's sucking up?
Yeah?
So then I beat that, and then that got me right there. That wasn't even it. It was bigger.
It busted your ski, didn't it?
About an hour ago.
Let's see that.
Well, it's off.
It's completely off, isn't it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be up there. Look at that.
Mike, you're on TV!
This is bad.
Your motor's done come out of your ski.
It's supposed to be way up here.
Yeah, I know.
But that's not I'm gonna ride.
You're done, huh? Never again?
Oh, retired.
Are you guys coming to go out here with us?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go to Andrea's.
What are we gonna do about the ski?
All right, give me a call when you get back to civilization.